Yep, that's our very own Somali PSI, but we'll get into that later. Let's talk about Culture Night. Somali Culture Night was a beautiful event hosted by Rise Projects, celebrating the whole Somali culture. This included dancing, a little fashion show, some singing, and what we call it, Borambur. This was a record-breaking event, having the most number of people we've ever seen, and ultimately it was fantastic. We even had the mayor there. Nope, not the actual mayor, but the Haringey mayor. She enjoyed it quite a lot. But overall, the dancing and singing was fantastic. Everyone enjoyed it. We even had the mayor in dancing as well. But let's hear a couple thoughts from the people.
Really enjoyed tonight. I have to appreciate what Ahmed and Awale, what they did is so amazing. And